Meaning of epilogue.
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 Epilogue. An epilogue is a section at the end of a book, movie, or play that provides additional information about the characters or events. It is a way to provide closure and wrap up any loose ends in the story. The content of an epilogue can vary widely, from a summary of what happened after the main events of the story, to a reflection on the themes and lessons of the work. Overall, an epilogue serves as a way to give readers or viewers a sense of resolution and completion to the narrative.